Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ProBien case for iPhone 11 Pro. It is a soft liquid silicone protective cover case with anti-scratch microfiber lightning shockproof compatibility with the Apple iPhone 11 Pro 5.8 inches. Yeah, and the color in this case it is black. It's also available in many other colors like yellow or other things. Superior silicone material is in there. The iPhone 11 Pro case is made from official liquid silicone. It's providing a smooth and silky-like surface for a comfortable grip and environmental friendly safety. No turning it, and no fingerprints. Yeah. It is enhanced strong protection mode. Thicken 3-layer construction, including microfiber, PC, and silicone itself. Features all-around coverage for maximum protection. For our iPhone against shock, drop, and impact, of course. It has a perfect fitting. It is fine cutting for snugly fit and precision cutouts. That protective case is only for the iPhone 11 Pro 5.8 inches. It supports wireless charging without removing the case and easily to clean with damp rag or wet cloths. You have a sturdy performance in it. Designed with inside soft microfiber lining to prevent scratches. The raised edges lift the screen and camera 2 mm higher to provide powerful defense even if it is falling down from 2 meters high. Each will come with a glass screen protector as a free gift. Yeah. And this is awesome too because that means after you assemble both, you have a nearly 360 degrees protection in it. This is awesome, really awesome. And it feels really good in your hand, and it is nice. It fits so good with your device. Wow. It is a case applies the official liquid silicone, which is safer and eco-friendly without harmful smell or substance like the BPA material. Bonus, the free screen protector in the package works well together with this case. They are a good company. No turning yellow, no fingerprints, no watermarks, and easy to clean. No need to take off the case during wireless charging QI standard, but please do not stick any metal components on the back of your phone. Is this a nice case? Yes, it is. It is the best case I ever had before. Really. You will get 5.8 inches phone case for iPhone 11 Pro, one screen protector, one accessory, and one ProBien customer support card with address, and of course one instruction. But you do not need the instruction. You have my video. Oh yeah, I showed you how to use it. It is a liquid silicone material. It should be cleaned by damp rag, anti-fingerprint system, and environmental protection material. Nice. This is drop protection. Liquid silicone case act as a cushion when dropping. 2 meters protects your iPhone when it will drop on the floor from 2 meters high. But I will not test it for you, okay? 2 meters, this is a lot. This is a man high. Structures details, more dealing, more professional. The first layer is the liquid silicone. This is the outside case. After this, camera layer with PC. Then comes the layer with TPU. And the last layer is microfiber. And this made this case special because your phone is nice bedded into it and it feels so high quality. And you have no longer the problem with the cam. The cam comes a little bit over your backside of your iPhone. If you're wearing this case, you have a 2mm higher than the camera and the screen. That means the surface is flat on the backside of your phone after you assemble this case. This is a silicone case for iPhone 11 Pro 5.8 inches. And you have a free tempered film in it. You can use it, you can take it, it is really nice. And you can load it by QI standard devices. And you have a lot of different colors. I like this gray black mostly. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.